Hi students, good morning to all of you. Welcome to Sri Academy online classes. Today lecture number 3, lesson first, computer networking. Agenda of this video: first, coaxial cable; second, advantage and disadvantage of coaxial cable; third, fiber optic cable, advantage disadvantage of fiber optic cable; fifth, unguided media; and sixth, homework. So let's start this video through this content agenda. Coaxial cable. Coaxial cable carry signals of higher frequency range than twisted pair cable. Coaxial cable carry signals of higher frequency range than twisted pair cable. Here the figure of the coaxial cable means coaxial cable have the 4 layer: first, second, third, and fifth. And this is the insulator. And this one is the last one, the conductor, where signals carry. Means this and this is the insulator, and here the plastic cover coated, and this is the inner conductor. Inner conductor is a solid wire. And outer conductor serve as the shields against noise and second conductor. Means coaxial cable carries signals of higher frequency range with compared to the twisted pair cable, because here the 2 layer of the insulator and plastic covered, and here the inner conductor. Coaxial cable applications: most versatile medium, television distributions, long distance telephone transmission, can carry 10,000 voice calls simultaneously, short distance computer system links, local area network. Means coaxial cable used in this form means television like your dish TV, long distance telephone transmissions, short distance computer systems links, local area network means LAN. And coaxial cables advantages and disadvantages. First, to discuss advantages. Advantage: easy to wire, easy to expand, moderate level of electromagnetic interference. The advantage of the coaxial cable. And disadvantage: single cable failure can take down an entire network. If single cable is disturbed, then your whole network is disturbed. Next one, the cost of installation of a coaxial cable is high due to its thickness and stiffness. Means installation of the coaxial cable cost high. Next, cost of maintenance is also high. Cost of maintenance of coaxial cable is high. So these are the disadvantage of coaxial cable, and this one is the advantage of coaxial cable. Next, fiber optic cable. A fiber optic cable is made up of glass or plastic and transmits signals in the form of light. Fiber optic cable is made up of glass or plastic and transmits signal in the form of light. Means through the fiber optic cable you can transmit data in the form of light. Next, nature of light. Light travel in straight line. If light goes from one substance to another, then the ray of light change directions. This is the nature of light. Ray of light change direction when it goes from more dense to less dense substance. So such rule followed by fiber optic cable. Area of applications: telecommunication, local area networks, cable TV, CCTV, and medical education. In these fields use fiber optic cable. Optical fiber advantages: greater capacity, example data rates at 100 Gbps. Greater capacity, data rates 100 Gbps. Smaller size and lightweight, lower attenuations, electromagnetic isolation, more resistance to corrosive materials, greater repeater spacing facilities. Example, after every 10 second of kilometer at least, means 1 kilometer travel 10 second. Means optical fiber advantage, greater capacity, smaller size, lightweight, electromagnetic isolations, more resistance. So these are the example of advantage of fiber optics. Disadvantage of fiber optics: installation and maintenance need expert. Means installation and maintenance need expert. Only unidirectional light propagations, means only unidirectional, means one directional light propagation, much more expensive. The cost of the fiber optics cable are high. So these are the disadvantage of optical fiber. Means installation and maintenance need or export, only unidirectional light propagations, much more expensive. So these are the disadvantage of fiber optic cable. Next one is the unguided media. Unguided media means when wireless transmission, when we transfer any data through wireless, so such type of media is called the unguided media. Means without the wire you transfer your data, it's called unguided media. Means wireless transmission, here radio wave, microwave, infrared, and unguided media also Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. These are the unguided media. Means through unguided media you can transfer your data without connecting the wire. Like you share any information through Bluetooth. Bluetooth connect. This is the example of unguided media. And unguided media, radio waves. Through radio waves you transfer your data. Microwave and infrared. Through infrared also you transfer your data. After that, the homework: first, what is transmission media? Second, how many types of transmission media? Question number third, what is guided media? Question 4, what is twisted pair cable? Explain with advantage and disadvantage. Fifth, what is coaxial cable? Explain with advantage and disadvantages. Question number 6, what is fiber optic cable? Explain with advantages and disadvantages. Question 7, what is some unguided media? Explain with types. Hopefully all students understands all agenda of this video. If you face any problem, contact my personal number. Thank you.